Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue when attempting to run the Windows terminal. And it says that Windows cannot find wt.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in apps. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field, go ahead and type in terminal. Best match should come back with terminal here. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the advanced options button. Scroll down and underneath reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And now hopefully if you attempt to launch the terminal application, it should be good to go at this point. If you're still having a problem, you can attempt the reset option. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And then again, attempt to launch Windows Terminal and see if the problem has been resolved. If not, one final thing we're going to go over in today's tutorial would be opening up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should be command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Now if you attempt to open up Windows Terminal, you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.